The idea of going cabinet free is really not that new. If you think back, we actually are showing just next to the MX system here, our traditional EP boxes. That's kind of where we started, right? The industry in general has been moving to this idea of moving at least the I/O out of the cabinet, right? In the past few years, we and our industry friends out there have been moving things like the servo drives out of the cabinets as well. And the idea is, the biggest thing is reducing that size that you need, that footprint of the cabinet, reducing the energy costs of having to cool a cabinet, right? And decentralizing that control so that you're really getting things closer to the actual sensors, the actual drives, those type of things, the mechanics of what's happening. We're trying to decentralize that and move those things out into the field. So that's we've seen that trend for years going on. That's what drove us to, hey, why not move the rest of it out too? There's got to be a way to do that. The MX system's the answer. I think it's not necessarily a driving factor, but it's a complementary factor, right? There's a lot of things that by decentralizing and moving things out, and by implementing those kind of communication protocols that go along with that. Obviously, we've got EtherCAT as our backbone to this, and we bring it back into a PC. But by having a backbone like EtherCAT, we can bring a ton of data from all those places into the processing unit, and then provide them up, to the cloud for the IIoT side of things, and that is the transformation trend that we've been seeing. So I think it's complementary, honestly, more than anything. It's interesting. We've been looking into the industries and which ones are more interested than others, and it's kind of fun because most of them are quite interested in moving this direction. Obviously, machine builder side of things. So if we look at the packaging industry or digital manufacturing industry, those are pretty big, pretty excited about doing it. But really, the interlogistics community, because of the distributed nature, they are really excited about it. And then a big one we're starting to see, especially here in Detroit, is the automotive side of things. They've moved to a lot of that traditional EP box, machine-mounted I/O already, so they get they understand the benefits of that. Moving the rest out, they say, this makes sense as a natural progression, right?